and I just wanna have.
The car will be louder. And we will be adding some 5-inch carbon exhaust tips. This will be the last time y'all will see. They come with a 4-inch exhaust tips. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start to hit the before. That's the before right there. Now I'm gonna show y'all the after. I'm gonna give y'all a POV, the before, and I'm gonna give y'all the after. I'm gonna give y'all sport mode and I'm gonna give y'all default. First, I'm gonna give y'all default. I knew y'all hear it now. Now, hear the sport. I'm gonna go sport. And y'all will hear in sport mode, the exhaust open. You can open and close the exhaust, really. In sport mode, you can open. It's open in sport. Y'all hear it. Yo, it's your boy Just back with another video, man. As y'all can see in the title today, we'll be getting the resonators and the muffler delete, making the car louder. Let's go. Yes, sirski. See, I'm getting the muffler and resonator delete. If you don't know, but if you don't know, this do not add any horsepower to go straight pipe. It just make the car louder. But I know he already took one muffler off. And I'm taking my chips off. The resonator. Y'all know what the mufflers look like. y'all, I've been trying to do this for like the past 3 days, but it is more to the story, kinda, a little bit. I ain't gonna tell y'all yet if I do it or don't do it. I don't know, but I'm gonna eventually get some headers, add some horsepower. Then I'm gonna have to tune it. Yeah, cause that's to be the most horsepower to get. Well, more stuff, but. And then I got the 5-inch carbon tip. I'm getting the diffuser. I know I'm getting the diffuser for my birthday too. So it'll bring out the back. It'll bring out the booty. Y'all look at the difference between the 5-inch tips and the stock 4-inch tips. The 5-inch and the 4-inch. It's a big difference. And this actual 4-inch tips. What, big daddy? But he just took the resonator off. One of the sides. The one with the 5-inch tip side off. Y'all, he done. We gonna hear the car. The car is straight tight, bro. Finally. Y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive for the after. It's nighttime too. So bro, y'all can really hear it now, bro. She's screaming, she popping bad. She really popping. Let's go! Yeah. And yes, y'all, this is the same road I did the PMV earlier. Well, I did yesterday. Y'all, I need to get some lights, some interior lights. I'm gonna get some interior lights, cause it'll look so much better, especially the POV drives. I probably won't do a lot of those, but just in general, I know the interior look way better. Let's go. Oh my God.
Stop. The baby make me sleep.
Ooh. Let's go. Yes, Sirski. Yes, Sirski.
I'm a dog, I just wanted a bone. Run a rag in my mama a home. Having rats, you'll think it was alone. Bust out peace, gotta get this shit gone. My brother, my twin, he just like my clone. Got my back to the world, I'm wearing V long.